Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to smoothen skin in Snapseed. To smoothening a skin in Snapseed is a straightforward process, so here is how you can do it. Open up Snapseed application, tap the plus button on the screen and select a picture you would like to smoothen from your device's photo library. After you choose a picture for yourself, click on Tools at the bottom. Now, from the options, tap on Details. Tap on the slider at the bottom and you will be able to see the structure and sharpening option. Swipe towards the left inside of the screen and decrease the structure value. Once you do that, you will be able to see that you have now smoothened your skin. This will control the level of texture in the image and essentially smoothen out the skin on the image. Remember not to overdo it, since too much reduction can make the skin look waxy or plastic-like. After you are done with your change, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Finally, click on Export at the bottom right, choose one of the export options, and that is it. You have successfully smoothened skin in Snapseed. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.